I want to demonstrate the File View tab, but first I need to load some data. So I'm going to come up here and select Demo 4, and then I'm going to switch to the File View tab. This view shows all the files that are currently loaded into the program, and it has a grouping function that allows you to organize the data. Right now it's set on model numbers, so each model number is being put together. But that can be controlled up here. And basically any information that's in the header can be used to group this data. So I'm going to select range here. You can also come out here and you can change any one of these columns to display different information. I'm going to change this date to device under test. Okay, in addition to that, you can click on this sort key, and now you can sort any one of the columns. There's one other thing that you can do. I'm going to switch here to this project tab, and you can click on any one of these files and it'll automatically draw it down here. You can hold the shift or the control key and you can select multiple files. Now I'm going to expand this, make it a little bigger. It doesn't refresh it automatically. And you'll notice that it's making up these labels for you automatically. You don't have to do anything about it. The original labels in the file may only have the word error, but it's adding this information for you. And how it does that is it looks for the information that's different, and any information that's different will be put on this label. Any information that's the same is put up in this top bar up here. So if I select 3 files that have the same model number, the model number will show up here. If the serial number is the same, it'll show up here, and if the frequency range is the same, it'll show up here. But as soon as you throw in another file, now you have a different model and serial number, so now it puts it down here. So it's doing this to save space, and it simplifies the drawing. This area up here was an addition too, and what it is it's basically all the files that are listed in the in process folder. If you remember, I came out here and I said that you could load a test project by selecting this. And when you do that, it comes out here to this in process folder, and these would be all the devices under test that you're currently working on. So I'm going to cancel that. And you can load this information in just by right clicking on here and selecting load test project. And now we just went back and I loaded the original demo that I had. And you can see there's only 10 files in there. And let's see. There's also some additional functions out here. I thought it'd be handy if you could move these test projects off to different folders once they're finished. I was going to set it up so that these individual CSV files that are in the projects could be exported to Excel, and also wanted to make it so that you could delete the project. I thought it might be good to have a read-only function so these files can't be accidentally written over when somebody's not paying attention. Anyway, these were some new features that I wanted to explain. Thanks for listening. Bye.